Do you want to know how you can sign up for Betfair? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign up for Betfair. Go ahead and go to your search bar and search for Betfair sign up. Click on the first link which appears on your screen and it will take you to this login portal. Now what you need to do is select your gender over here. Write down your name. After that, write down your last name as well. Then is the time of date of birth. Make sure you write your correct date of birth, and then what you need to do is select your country. So after you select your country, write down your email address and write down your password in this box. After you write down your password, you can choose a security question. So choose a security question of your choice and then select your currency. Then you can select your state over here. Make sure that you choose your state correctly because it might be some problems. So after you choose your state, you can write down your address manually or you can just post your postcode over here. After that, you can see the deposit limit. You can select this and then you can write down your phone number over here. After you write down your phone number, you can click on this option, acknowledge it, and click sign up. So after this, you can click sign up, but you need to write down a valid phone number. So choose the valid phone number that you have and then click sign up. And you can click on these or else you can just click no thanks. And in a while, you can notice that you can create an account. There might be some problems and you can select these and you can write these again. So this is how you sign up for Betfair, guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.